Let us start today's class with a simple question. Whenever you went to a theatre to watch a movie, while paying the price, you also paid GST. So while purchasing ticket, you also paid GST. Now the question is, did you pay this GST directly to the government or to the shop owner or to the theatre owner? You paid GST to the theatre owner and theatre owner will pay it to the government. That is to say, normally the service provider or the seller of the goods will collect GST from you and pay it to the government. In our previous class, we studied that at times the liability to pay the GST to the government is on the recipient of the service. That is, the receiver of the service have to pay GST directly to the government. So there are situations where the recipient, instead of paying it to the supplier of service, he will directly pay it to the government. Section 9 subsection 3. Section 9 subsection 3 talks about those certain services on which the liability to pay GST is on the recipient of the service. So section 9 subsection 3 talks about reverse charge mechanism. It says there are certain goods, there are certain services on which the liability to pay GST is on the recipient. So if I am taking that services or if I am buying that goods, instead of paying the GST to the supplier, I need to directly pay to the government. But in my IPCC syllabus, reverse charge mechanism towards goods is not covered. So if I am purchasing certain goods and if I have to pay tax under reverse charge mechanism, those goods are not covered in our syllabus. The question comes then, what is covered in our syllabus? What is covered in our syllabus is 7 services, 7 specified services on which the liability to pay the GST is on the recipient of the service. So in our next class, we will be studying those 7 services one by one. All these 7 services are important from your examination point of view. They may ask you a question saying that, okay, this service has been provided. Tell us who has to pay the GST, whether it is supplier or the recipient. Now you need to know all these seven services so that you can answer these questions. You are supposed to write in these cases the liability to pay the GST to the government is on the recipient of the service as per section 9 subsection 3. So in our next class we will be beginning the first service, that is service by GTA.